I say me have one B, the B tell me say, for me would not give him the buzz where she want. She want to feel the pussy a stretch. But me I tell her, I say, for me would not come with them the blood clot length there.
Yeah, you're right.
The girl say,
Small, medium, large.
Small clean I want.
a small, but a small me I work with.
Small clean I want.
No, small, hold on, catch the money.
You can't change you.
Eh? Have you catch him? I try there, man.
Yeah.
Why you want, Bob?
Small cleaner.
You want more cleaner.
I know what you're bargaining for now, what you get. I know what you're bargaining for, what you're born with, brother.
Yeah, but-
Small you get.
But you know me want to still teach her that? What God when they do make him give me this a little piece of wood?
You want to bring you one that they are.
You when you run out of material, man.
Bring you one that you did already, you know. You don't kill yourself.
Eh?
You
Oi!
when you run out of material.
Once again, I never know the material and give me a little piece of wood. Oh, Mr. Teacher. Oi!
Stand for and fling on that.
Oh, Mr. If
You know
only,
panic, man.
oi, believe me, the only time I see my would have me turn up in front of a glass.
Me bumbo class. That
Yes.
means they hide it then.
The Lord Jesus Christ, man, belly big like a bomb
Pampas.
clock, man.
When me see someone with some wood, me got them there, them just walk up and down every morning, me walk and back. We'll have to get back from the teaching.
Mami, they can't tell them to it.
Yeah, that man every morning, me walk up to the ground by man.
But eyes, some of them now there, you know, they do come outside, you know, just come out so, and people and go so. No, see them here, see them now.
They stiff down, they not turn up.
Yeah, stiff down.
They stiff down, they not turn up.
I think me I tell you lie. Me say girl say, me ask the girl if me would not give him a buzz. He say yes, but the buzz I'm talk about, he want to feel the pussy stretch.
Yeah, man.
He want the buzz.
Yeah,
For me to have the buzz, for me have the laughing spirit. Yeah, man, she said she want the buzz and mine not giving her the buzz. But me believe when I say teacher lied, material run out and reach on me.
Yeah, man.
Me say only time I see me would have me in front and dresser. See, because I'm not looking at dresser.
No.
Who told Lily, man?
Then can you imagine if you go to America, brother, and I sketch that snow world of blood clot, daddy? Pussy clot, a problem in there.
I don't see
And then you have to bend down people to touch America, you know, daddy. Remember me tell you.
Alright, bend down, baby.
Then you else you don't do.
God
Why
must-
you don't find?
Mr. God-
You have to shift your jaws and go down. That's a blood clot full, brother. Life in concert, man. How
Yeah,
are you?
yeah. Can't would now. Me say me don't know what to do with you. Till like me really have to do
If
that.
you know, how would that Jamaica much more foreign?
Me no look no visa all
You
out.
can't go in a bush, go look who out there, you can't find that America.
Then
You're in trouble.
Brother, me say you. For me to reach out to now penis me have.
Eh?
Penis.
Me bumbo clad.
Penis. All girls, you know, remember. When they run up past our fat man, you know if you check them out first.
Yeah.
Because me not tell no lie. You see God I want wicked, brother, and I want to make me say God wicked. When God, they run up and down and chew on how much wood, how much man, when God reach out me, I want little something so he give me. What
They
God
run
when
out
they
of
do?
material.
Oh God run out of material when he reach out me. What God when they do all the while? That me want to know.
We just throw it.
Look for all Maki round and so. Come Maki,
That's
catch
a massive
Maki.
bread.
Look for Maki. Big old piece of the part of those PP of the PP out there. See that? Ah, PP my PP out there. I want them that. Yeah?
Say no, no visa, brother.
No visa, come on also.
No look money, brother.
Then, when I can think me no look no visa, everybody we can go look visa, me no look none.
No, because in a tropical climate and if you would not rise, you can't touch me.
No, me would rise. What?
You dey rise.
Listen me now, me would have V8 power and height.
Eh.
It just not have the length to give the girl them the buzz.
Okay.
Yeah, man, when me tell them some girl pass, man, me would set someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, at 12 o'clock, like when you on bike back wheel, man, and some things there. But beside length.
You know, see them do something, then they say you can't.
No, you can't take fat out your body go put new. That what this man
No, man, you know, you didn't say you can't. What them call you again, man?
Say me can't take fat out of my body go put in and with a shit cup that now they carry.
You know, fuck the girl with your hand, brother.
No,
You take the same time you fuck a dark night. Yeah, use your
All
blood
one
clot
day
hand.
say you use your tongue and it's working.
Yeah, man, a dark night you have to fuck, brother. Use your hand. Or dildo.
no, that my brother, brother, yo. We
So
can't.
I don't drop bush now and lose
No,
pressure.
I'm Jack on Bush, man. I tell him, man, he would just nag you, girl, him about so you girl, him, man. Yeah, the girl want to sit. So the girl tell me say want to feel in pussy just a stretch out. But me I tell the B say yo, for me would not go down like that. For me would have party vibes and the papa have a pure niceness, just laughing. Yeah man. Alright, that's easy now man. Yo. No, I no joke me I make you know. How me sound? Yeah man, out.